Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Elesia B, the beauty entrepreneur. Well, today I am Elesia B Beauty Company. Today I'm going to show you how to apply eyelashes. Today I have with me my brand, Elesia B Beauty Co eyelashes, and this is in the style Caution. So, of course, first you open your eyelashes. You get your pair of tweezers. And today I'll be using the Elesia B Beauty Co tweezers. So get your pair of tweezers and take the strip, the lash off of the out of the box. Then the next step is for you to trim these little wings off so you can get a proper sizing. So I'll trim these off. And I sell the lash trimmers as well as the tweezers, as well as the lashes. So all right, these are all major steps. The next step is to measure the lash on your eye. So looking down in a handheld mirror, measure the lash on your eye. It will poke you in your eye if you have it all the way in the corner. It will poke you. So I know, basically I'm gonna trim off like half of a notch because I don't want it to stop on my skin. So I'm gonna cut it off, half of it off. Well, not half of it off, but I'm gonna cut half of, you see how these little pieces, I'm gonna cut half of this off for it to measure on my eye. Well, for it to fit on my eye. All right, and do the same thing to the next lash. Now that I have both lashes trimmed and ready to go, so I've never tried this before, but I'm gonna do the technique where they line their eye. Wish me luck, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all how I normally do them as well. So I'm gonna line the eye. I have never in my life done this. Oh crap. I got it on my hair. Let me get my lash ready. There's nothing wise about this, if you ask me. Nothing. But hey, guess it's working for a lot of people. Let me try it. It might be groundbreaking for me as well. Hey man. Y'all, my lash on, we might be on to something, okay? I'm just gonna give them a pinch. And you can also do this with your finger. Yikes. Yeah, I guess if I didn't put glue on my dang lid, I would have kept it right there on the line. Well, y'all, I mean, the lash is on. Tell me what y'all think. The other way I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the glue on the lash. to be honest, y'all, this was the quickest I ever put on a lash. I'm just being real honest with you. I'll let y'all in on a little secret. I ain't never been good at putting on my own lashes, so I can already tell this right here just gonna be my go-to method. And I was honestly just trying it out. I'm about to show y'all now how I normally put on my lashes. And y'all can tell me which one y'all think looked the best. Or went on the best. You know. Let me know. And I'm using Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Now, the technique to put on strip lashes for me, I cannot look like straight in the mirror and do them. I have to look down. Like, I have to look down. I don't even think I put enough glue on this lash. It's normally easier than this putting on a lash, y'all. I think I'm having problems just because I did that. That other eye, so easy. See, I got glue all on my lid right here. That's probably gonna be my only downfall. I got glue everywhere. But anyway, my lashes are on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me which one you think will probably best suit you. I normally do my eyelashes where I have the glue on the eyelash. This is my first time putting it on my actual eyelid or eye, line. But I kind of like this way. Only thing I don't like about it is that this is my first time, but I put too much glue, so it's kind of like sticking to my finger. But I cannot make that mistake the next time. To be honest, this was by far the quickest way. The quickest I've ever put on an eyelash. Ever. Like, this would probably make me wear eyelashes every day. If I could do it that easy. But anyway, tell me what you guys think. Tell me if the video was helpful in any kind of way. Or tell me if you need me if you needed me to go more in depth explaining. I hope I did a good job. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Because all that matters is that you get the information and that you understand it. So, with that being said, let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in my next video. Elesia B out.